Okay, now we break into the house. I won't take it in. Let's steal some stuff. Oh no, I think that was a shot from the downstairs. I think. Oh no, somebody is in the house. We need to climb to the roof. Okay. I think we are now safe in here. Okay, time to get in. Why is there cake? I don't want cake. I want something else like believers. Yeah. Hiya. Why won't this break? Okay, now I'm in the second floor. Oh no, why is the building collapsing? I'm going here. Oh, there you are. But the building is going to collapse, you know. But I'll still take you down. Hiya! Hey, stop hitting me with that hammer. My gun is downstairs. Stop hitting me. Hiya! That's what you get. Little brother, no! Hiya! That's what you get for breaking this house. My parents worked 3 months just to rent even this house. So you pay it. No, I won't. Hiya. Ooh. Hiya. Okay, that now he is gone. Let's get out of here, little bro. I think my arm broke from this. Okay. Now I just need to break you out of that wood thing. Hiya. Oh no, the house is collapsing. Let's get out of here. Okay. Let's get out of here. The house is collapsing. No, little boy. Little burrow is safe. But the building collapsed. Oh no, building collapse. Oh no, little burrow. I am the only one alive here. Why did he even get in here?